Welcome! Today, we're diving into elegant entryway decor ideas that'll instantly elevate the look of your home. Your entryway sets the tone for the rest of your space, so let's make it a warm, welcoming, and stylish one. One, choosing the right entryway table. Start with an entryway table that complements your home's aesthetic. A sleek console in wood, marble, or metal adds character, and the table's height and length should fit comfortably within your space. This piece is the foundation of your entryway decor, so choose wisely. Two, adding layers with decorative accessories. Layering is key to creating visual interest. Consider a stylish tray for your keys, a decorative bowl, or a couple of stacked books for a personal touch. These details not only add functionality but also allow you to express your style. 3. Statement mirrors or art. A mirror or artwork can be the centerpiece above your entryway table. A large mirror reflects light, making the space feel bigger, while framed art adds personality. Choose a piece that resonates with you, and don't be afraid to go bold. 4. Lighting the space. Lighting is essential in an entryway. Table lamps or wall sconces add ambience and highlight your decor. Try a lamp with a textured shade or a unique base for added style, or use sconces to save table space. 5. Bringing in greenery. Plants or fresh flowers breathe life into any space. Place a potted plant or floral arrangement on your entryway table for a pop of color and freshness. Even a single green branch in a vase can make a minimalist statement. 6. Incorporating a touch of luxury. Add a hint of luxury with metallic accents or crystal decor pieces. A small gold sculpture, a silver candle holder, or a crystal bowl can give a polished and sophisticated touch to your entryway. Creating an elegant entryway is all about balance and personal touches. Mix practicality with beauty to welcome guests warmly every time they walk in. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.